Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today I have a super easy and fun Kirkland's inspired fall project. I used a Ray Dunn inspired font, the skinny font from defont.com. The first thing I did was saw down a 2x8 into 3 different sizes and sanded them. I then painted all the blocks with white Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I painted the front, back, and all 4 sides. After the blocks had dried, I watered down some Waverly antiquing wax so it wouldn't be so strong, and painted it onto the blocks and rubbed it off with a paper towel. I used 4 stems from Dollar Tree and hot glued them to the top of the blocks. I used my Cricut and cut out the word fall in the skinny font. Then added the vinyl to each of the blocks. On 2 of the blocks, I used Dollar Tree Nautical rope to decorate the stems, wrapping it around one and draping it over the other. The other 2, I used a piece of scrap ribbon and tied a little bow, then hot glued it to the stems. And this is what they look like when I finished. Let me know in the comments if you would have done anything different. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And click on the link in the description to sign up for my mailing list. You will get access to all my free printables, downloads, and special offers just for my subscribers. Thanks for watching.